Hi, my name is Joann Frasier Dasent, and I'm also known as Auntie JoJo the Storyteller. And I want to share with you a book that I wrote, and it's called A Cool Windy Day on Table Mountain. The illustrations is by Jackal Buzzard, and I hope you enjoy it. It was a cool windy day on Table Mountain, just below the sky. Jackal Buzzard rainbow colors could be seen by every eye. A weird was his typical hunger call. The wind sang back a mean blues tune each time Jackal opened his maw. Frustrated, tired, and hungry, an amazing thought came to his mind. I'll try my luck with the mountain creatures and have me a meal in no time. Hiding from the swirling wind, Brother Turtle ducked in and out of his shell when he heard a familiar song and noticed a dance he knew too well. Hey, Jackal. Hey, Brother Turtle. Brother Turtle said, somebody's calling my name. Hey, Brother Turtle. Brother Turtle said, they must be playing a game. Hey, Brother Turtle, you want to ride on my back? Anything to get away from this wind, I'll try it, Jack. So they flew this away, they flew that away, and the wind took a deep breath in and blew Brother Turtle far away. Jackal Buzzard flew back to Table Mountain just as hungry as can be. I can't believe Brother Turtle got away from me. A weird car, I'll try it once again. He noticed Brother Lizard holding on against the wind. Hey, Brother Lizard. Brother Lizard said, somebody's calling my name. Hey, Brother Lizard. Brother Lizard, they must be playing a game. Hey, Brother Lizard, you want to ride in the sky? Anything to get away from this wind, I'll give it a try. So they flew this away and they flew that away. And the wind took a deep breath in and blew Brother Lizard far away. Now Jugger Buzzy flew back to Table Mountain to try again. He began to shake and shimmy to see where to begin. Now, Cousin Monkey, he knows his Buzzard from way on top of Table Mountain top. He watched Jackal Buzzard jive, sing out, fly up, and drop. Cousin Monkey swung down from a tall, wide-rooted tree. He matched Jackal Buzzard's dance step for all the mountain creatures to see. Hey, Jackal Buzzard. Jackal Buzzard said, whoa, somebody's calling my name? Hey, Jackal Buzzard. Jackal Buzzard went, they must be playing the game. Hey, Jackal Buzzard, I want to ride in the sky. Jackal Buzzard saw a meal and said, my. Jackal Buzzard took Cousin Monkey for a ride in the air. Cousin Monkey knew for a fact that everything was not on the square. Jackal Buzzard tried to throw Cousin Monkey off his back, and Monkey grabbed his neck and said, now, listen, Jack, you better straighten up and fly right. Straighten up and fly right. Straighten up and fly right. Cool down, Papa, don't you blow your top. Cousin Monkey told Jackal Buzzard to feel the rhythm of that wind, and just on cue, the wind took a deep breath in. It was Jackal Buzzard's turn to catch the breezy beat and to be blown far, far away, while the creatures on Table Mountain danced, sang, and enjoyed the rest of the day. Straighten up and fly right. Straighten up and fly right. Straighten up and fly right. Cool down, Papa, don't you blow your top. The moral of the story is, children, behave yourselves. It's not nice to trick people because somebody can play a trick on you. Okay? Straighten up and fly right. Straighten up and fly right. Straighten up and fly right. Cool down. Papa, don't you blow your top.